Promax is a trusted manufacturer with more than 20 years of experience in deburring and surface finishing solutions. Since the beginning, our focus has been on precision, performance, and reliability, values that have built long-term trust with customers around the world. Today, Promax machines operate in over 30 countries, helping manufacturers improve product quality, efficiency, and consistency across production lines. Our technology supports a wide range of industries, including automotive, aerospace, die casting, and general manufacturing. Each machine is developed through years of process experience and continuous innovation, ensuring stable operation, low maintenance, and excellent finishing results. Behind every Promax solution is a dedicated team of engineers, committed to delivering machines that meet global standards and exceed customer expectations. With a strong reputation for quality and service, Promax continues to drive progress in modern manufacturing, providing smarter, faster, and more efficient deburring solutions for the future.